Anytime now, race number 4. And the race on Devil in Disguise from the outside is Abon's Treasure. Landed Bisa Love ko to down on the inside. Mana lang. Abon's Treasure unopposed. Banay. Is Stormplane dashing. Is running by the Love ko to. Moving up on from the outside is Banay. Mana lang alongside is Devil in Disguise. Abon's Treasure on the further outside. 6A and that's Dogo's favorite. The favorite. Banay by about 2 lengths. Love ko to. Dogo's favorite racing in third from the outside. Mana lang is running by the Devil in Disguise as they raise the corner. Banay by a length and a half. Mana lang Dogo's favorite and by the rest Love ko to as they raise the last 250. Banay by a length and a half. Mana lang in second. Dogo's favorite on the further outside. Banay, Dogo's favorite, Mana lang, but still Banay, and finally, Banay, Dogo's favorite, Mana lang, Abon's Treasure, Devil in Disguise, and 9A, Landed Visa for your Fenta.